Hello everyone, once again this is Mom Asenho of Small Terrible YT channel. This time I am going to teach you how to use the tools in the Kotobi author, just like link and image. Alright, so let's now start making our content of our ebook. Alright, so you have here, just press enter and press the space bar in your keyboard 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, you are now ready to write your content. Alright, so scientific investigation is a quest to find the answer to a question using the scientific method. Alright, so this is just for the purpose of illustration, so I'll just leave it there. Alright, so now let's use the tools. This one, link. Alright, so all you have to do is first you highlight the word. Okay, so if I want to have this scientific investigation, use this tool link. Then it will open to this box. Then you select Popup Message. Alright. Then that's the text. Alright. So we're going to put in here your additional information about the highlighted word. So for example, scientific investigation, so the additional is it is what people like you and me use to develop better models and explanations for the world around them. Alright, so this is just for the sake of illustration again, so just leave it there. Select create. Alright, that if you want to preview your ebook, just click customize. Alright, that's your ebook. Alright, so this is not yet final, so that if you want to look at it in Galaxy S4 for example, that's the appearance in the desktop screen. That's the appearance. Just click next. Then if you want to, okay, you have this scientific investigation content here, then just click the highlighted and there's a pop-up message. It is what people like you and me use to develop better models and explanations for the world around them. So that's the use of the link tool in the Kotobi author. Alright, so then just return to edit. Then let's continue. Now we want to add image. Okay, so regarding the image, if you want to personalize it, I am going to have a tutorial on how to make your own image using the Bitmoji later on. Okay, for example, since I have already my image, Alright, so I just add it in here. So the image is taken from, so I downloaded it from my messenger since I sent it from my phone. Then I downloaded it in here so that it will appear the moment I look at it. So this is my picture, because I am a bit short, so I purposely put something in here like a table. And then for the width you put 85, for the height 70. Alright, then text drop, push left. Great. I forgot to select an image, did I? Alright, select first, add image, open. I have the image already. Then for the width it's 85, height is 70. This is the base numbers told by the one who organizes the webinar. Alright, so then push left, select the push left for the text wrap, then create. So you have your image there already. Alright, then after that, okay, let's proceed to the next part. Scientific method. What is a scientific method? Alright, so let's proceed to the content for the scientific method. So for example, okay, again, 7 times. Press the space bar of your keyboard 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you start writing now your content for the scientific method. Scientific method is a systematic process that involves using measurable observations to formulate, test, or modify a hypothesis. So again, you want something to pop out. So let's link this scientific. You're going to highlight the word scientific method. After you highlight, click the link tool here and select Popup Message again. Then you're going to write in here the additional inputs you have for scientific method. It is a process for experimentation and used in all sciences. Alright, so again, that's just for the sake of illustration. So just create, and then you want to add your image here. Again, you click the image tool here, then add image. Again, you want this image of yourself. So this is myself standing in what's that, in a box, for me to be able to be seen. So for the width, again, don't forget 85. For the height, 70. text wrap each push left. Great. So your picture is already there. Okay, so this is a very interactive material. All right, so we're done with our tutorial for the tools, image, and the link. For our next tutorial, I will teach you how to use the tools like gallery, then widgets. Alright, so thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe. Is small terrible. Thank you.